Hello, welcome to KAYHAN Audio, your aftermarket solution expert. When you choose to purchase a reversing camera for your car, there are a lot of options with different configurations available in the market. To make it simple, we have introduced 3 cameras which would suit your requirements. Number 1, this camera offers a 170-degree wide-angle view with a resolution of 720p. As you can see in the image, the quality is adequate and doesn't have a hefty price tag. Number 2, this camera offers a 180-degree of ultra-wide angle view with a resolution of 920p. Here we can immediately notice a difference in quality from the image and angle. This is a high-end camera offering 175 degrees of wide-angle view with a HD resolution of 1080p. As you can see, the quality image is outstanding and will give a premium touch to your vehicle. This camera also offers some additional features, like an adjustable screen that can be tilted horizontally and completely flipped vertically. Plus now, you can mirror all your footage. All of this with just a click of a button. So what are you waiting for? Come speak to us today so we can help you choose the camera for you. Please visit www.kayhanaudio.com.au for more product information, and also please subscribe to our channel on YouTube for more automotive advice.